Hi, my name is Matt Larson. We're here at InfoComm 2016 in Las Vegas. We want to show you some really cool things that we've got going on with the DiGiCo, some software upgrades as well as some hardware upgrades. The first one I want to show you is the Core 2. Now the Core 2 software is going to be available within the month for all the SD series. And what it's going to do is we flattened out our graphics, the look of them. We also added a bunch of better visual feedback. So like if I go in to hit the graph button on my dynamics, or even if I hit to my multi-band compression, you can actually see all three bands with complete full touch control. So we've got a lot better visual feedback. But in addition, one of the key things that the Core 2 software also did is it expanded our channel count. So let's say an SD9, which right now does 48 mono or 48 stereo inputs. With the Core 2 upgrade, you'll be able to run it as 48 stereo or up to 96 mono inputs. So it's now like took a step up a couple models. Okay, it's the only time we've ever charged for software, pretty nominal amount, and it's because you're basically going up to the next bigger model in the desk. In addition, every single desk will be able to have tube emulation, dynamic EQ, and multi-band compression. Those were the three features that we held back depending on the model, the quantity. You're going to get that on every single in and every single out of all of the desks. Now, I want to step over to the SD7 because it's going to get an engine upgrade, which is called the Quantum 7, and it's going to do a couple things. One of the things in our theater software, we have a thing called nodal processing. So what that is if I'm going to just use my matrix mixer here as an example, and what happens is I could feed a vocal here, and that vocal could be fed out to a speaker. And every speaker, although in the inputs and the outputs already have delay, I could actually have each node or every cross point of that matrix could have its own delay. So we call that nodal delay. So I'm just using that. That's in our theater software. And the reason I'm doing it is to tell you about the nodal part, because with the Quantum 7 upgrade, what happens is we jumped from 253 inputs or outputs or processing paths to 640. What that's going to allow me to do is, let's say this is a vocal channel. Every single aux send, instead of it having the same exact EQ and dynamics, you will be able to have every aux send will have its own unique EQ and dynamics. That's why we needed the 640 channels of processing power. Now lastly, what we were also added is, we took our solo bus system and we blew it up. We expanded it, so I'm able to actually move my solo bus to any one of those points so you can actually listen to any changes. So that's what we've got going on. A lot of great new features. Don't forget to go check out for more information at digico.biz. Have a great day.